Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search your tasks within a project in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we just have to tap on the My Tasks button in the bottom bar. And here in the top right corner we find three little dots. We tap on those and then we tap on Searching Project, and here we can just search for a task that we want to find, and we can find out what project it is linked to as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.